Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to talk about a German series which is available on Netflix in English. The name of this series is Perfume. It's based on a novel and there was another movie by the same name. This new web series, I have seen it recently. It was available on Netflix in 2018. Since 2018 it's there. Now let's talk about this web series Perfume. It has only 6 episodes in the first season. The second season it will come. Uh, First come to the story part. Then why I liked it or I didn't like it, and who should watch it. The story part is it is the most interesting thing. I mean, it's an investigative drama, not exactly a detective kind of drama, but it has two layers, two stories: story of detective and story of a group of friends from the school time. And another important thing is the breaking of the family system. So these three parts they run simultaneously. It starts with the murder of a woman and her hair, her armpit hair and her pubic hair. They are missing. Like these parts of the skin are taken away by someone who has killed this girl. Then came another murder, which was which took place earlier, and so the investigation goes around a group of friends. They are friends from the school times. One of them runs a brothel house, and then there happens a murder of a prostitute. So a series of murders take place. Along with, we go into the past of these characters. That's the whole drama. Come to the point, uh, what I liked it or whether I liked it or not. See, I'm a filmmaker, I'm a writer, I make reviews, I am closed with the films. So I have to watch everything. So is this German drama. I have watched another German drama which I liked it. The name of that drama is The Dark. I think Dark is the drama I have made review. And this is the second review of a second German drama which I am making. So far as the concept is concerned, it's good. I mean, someone is making perfume of the body parts. This is the drama, but it's not very. It may not appeal to the a common masses in India, particularly, or anywhere else apart from Germany, because the as I have seen, I'm seeing German dramas for a long time, from Fassbinder, the series by the Fassbinder, to this particular web series. They have a structure. I mean, they don't have lucidity. They don't have a kind of slipperiness, a kind of a story which goes inside. But keeping that thing in mind, they have something different. This poetry is something different. I mean, their narrative is something different. And those people who wanted to watch a different kind of narrative, they are gonna like this web series. So it's a very, I mean, it's simple difference between a painting and work of a carpenter, I would say, or work of an architect, or work of a draftsman. So German work is like the work of an architect or a person who likes making cubes or shapes than a person who likes making curve. So it's not curvy, it's a cubical story structure. That's important. And the sometimes when they talk, the talks between the characters, that's very interesting, and it gives insight into the broken family structure and broken families and the problems which are created. So those people who like watching something different, it's for them, and it needs lot of patience to watch this, but it's worth watching. I won't say it's not worth watching. Certainly, I won't say you will enjoy, but you will gain something into the human psyche. This web series also has this thing. So these, what I am talking, I am not talking just about the web series, but if you look at the German art, German sciences, they are also, I mean, there's a character of Germanness. If we look it from the older times, from the starting of 19th century, then the regime of Hitler, or to now, or whatever. So as we know that Germans are very good at making tools, so they are very good making in the cubical structures, then the curves. French are very good at curve. Their structures are curvy. They are not cubical. British is also little bit cubical. I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. So you will certainly like this. But if you want to watch something for entertainment, just sheer purpose of entertainment, you don't want to put too much pressure in watching something, so you can skip this. But I like this. I also required a lot of patience to watch this actually. The six episodes were like a whole lot of for me to watch. But as I told you that being a filmmaker, I have to watch them, and I wanted to watch the German structure. So you can go and check Perfume on Netflix, and write me in the comments how did you like this web series. And I'm giving a link of Netflix, direct link to the Netflix. You can go to that link and watch this. So thanks for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.